Yeah, let's do it.
It's so great to see everybody online today.
We are really proud of the rich history of the 5 companies that we put together. We continue to move with speed and clarity, and we're really talking about our next chapter. We're really excited and proud of where we're going. So it really is about how do we galvanize this into one team, one vision, and that's what we're about to do today as we move forward.
All right, so we talk about seamless integration, and when you talk about seamless integration, a great word that means well integrated and unified is cohesive. So our new name for the business is Cohesive Components.
How Cohesive came about was pretty simple. We always talk about, we bought these 5 companies and put them together, and we always talk about being better together for ourselves, for our customers. Cohesive just popped off the charts. We have a long, rich history of gaskets and sealing, but we are providing components to industry. So that really makes it limitless for us on what customers can look for from us.
We feel that with Cohesive Components, we are seamlessly integrated. We really identified that speed, technical expertise, integration were what Sur-Seal was already known for. And so as we looked for how we wanted to move forward and focus our efforts in branding the company, those were the key components. And we're setting up the business with the new brand, with the investment for future growth to be #1 in this industry.
Yes, our logo is going to change, our name is going to change, the history is always going to be there, but our future is limitless for the business.